Get back to me, you getting clowned down, fucking with the West Coast, nigga better buy down to a nigga that's greater than you now. I'm a lyrical assassinator. I smash on haters and call the vapors. You right to play your hate sticker, they gon' fuck around with me. Nigga, please don't be fucking with no niggas like me. My name is Will Hustle. I'm out the LAC thing. I let it be known, got niggas know than the king of my throne, the top of the dome, spitting fire, clowning you niggas and battle you bitches and push y'all niggas up. Fuck y'all niggas up with the uppercut, or you can terminate. Now y'all niggas got caught up. What up? Who won the battle? My nigga, you keep on clown down, stepping around to the real lyrics that I be dropping, so you coming through the same town when you see my style. Get up in the crowd, do my thing like a smoking nigga, like a black and man. That means I can't be faded on the MIC. I'm letting you whack motherfuckers know you can't fuck around with me. My name is Will Hustle. I'm out the LA City, busting flows non-stop to the early morning, my nigga.